If your Henry Hoover has started to shake and just doesn't sound right, don't ignore the problem. Today I'm going to show you why that is, and also we're going to show you how to fix it. It's absolutely free and it will take just a couple of seconds. Well, perhaps a couple of minutes. So what am I on about? When you turn your Henry on, he should sound like this. But if he sounds like this when you turn him on, then there's a problem. You'll often find that Henry's hose starts to shake, and I've even heard of people saying that his hat's shaking as well. Now this is basically because you've got a blockage, which sounds like quite a minor thing, but if you ignore it, it causes loads of problems with the motor. It's going crazy, it's going to overheat, it's going to cut out because the thermal cutout inside kicks in, and then you're going to lose power, and you're probably going to go and bin your Henry for no apparent reason. So let's find the blockage together. First things first, we're going to take his hose off his snoot, and we're going to just check that the suction's good on the snoot. I don't know why I'm calling it a snoot and not a nose. You can actually look in there for any blockages if you do find that the suction's bad. If that's all okay, we're just going to put the hose back on, and then we're going to turn the vacuum cleaner back on, and we're going to check the suction from the hose. Now this is the most common place to get a blockage if your hose is going crazy. So turn it on, and if your suction is bad, then the blockage is in the hose. If your suction is still good and he seems to be fine, then it's worth looking down the metal pipes and the floor tool, because perhaps the blockage is in there. If you're putting the pipe back on and he's going crazy again, there's definitely a blockage in your metal pipes. As always, I hope this video helps at least one person. If you're having suction problems anyway, please check out my other video, and please remember to subscribe to my channel for all Henry help videos.